Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make tasty yellow cucumber curd recipe. We need only 20 minutes to make this delicious Kerala recipe. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 250 grams or 2 cups of chopped yellow cucumber. Add 1 teaspoon salt, 1/4 cup of water. Mix it well. Close the lid. Cook on medium flame for 5 minutes. In the meanwhile, we can make the grinded paste. In a grinder jar, take 1 cup of grated coconut, half cup of curd, 3 green chillies, grind it into a paste form. After 5 minutes, open the lid. It has cooked well. Now cook on medium flame until the excess water dries up. Don't close the lid at this time. Now add the grinded paste to it. Also add half cup of curd, 1/4 teaspoon crushed mustard, half teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Cook for a minute on low flame. Careful not to boil.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
After 1 minute, switch off the flame. Finally, for seasoning, in a pan take 3 tablespoon oil and heat it. When the oil is hot, add half teaspoon mustard seeds. After mustard seeds buttering, keep it low flame. Add 4 dry red chilies cut into halves, some curry leaves. Mix it well. Saute it for a minute on low flame. Switch off the flame. Add this on top of the curry. Don't stir it now. Close the lid and stir only after 10 minutes. This helps absorbing the flavors. After 10 minutes, open the lid and mix it nicely. Tasty yellow cucumber curd recipe is ready. If we are making in this quantity, we can serve it for 5 portions.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.